Right, welcome back everybody. We got a little bit of a mail call video today, so we're going to stick a few stickers up and see which channels we're going to be mentioning in today's little video. So, welcome back. Right then, so as you all know, I've had some stickers made up from the Diesel guy, my own Scrap It Man stickers. So, if you want one of them, just drop me an email. The email address is on the About page on my channel. But because I've been sending a few more out, I've been getting a few more in, so let's take a look and see who we've got in this week. Bloody noisy birds, eh? Right, so we've got one here. And that's from Ashley, AJP Garden Machines. So if you haven't got Ashley, head over to his channel and give him a sub and say Scrap It Man sent you. So we'll get that on the board in a minute. Let's see who else we got here. And that's actually Captain Jack Scrapper. I actually won this sticker on from Snobby and Dusty. I think it was on Snobby's live stream. They done a little competition there, about 3 of these to give away, so I actually won one of them. So yeah, if you haven't got Captain Jack Scrapper on your channel, go over and give him a sub and say that I sent you along. And if you haven't got Dusty and Snobby Scrap Picker, also go and see them and tap that little button on their page. And I've also got another one here. I won't show you the address. This one is from a few little collections, and that's for Tarrell. And these have actually been sent to me from Pete Froud, so appreciate that, Pete. And if you haven't got Tarrell, please head over to Tarrell's and give him a little sub and say that we sent you across. Let's get the board down and we'll get some stickers put on it. Alright then, so first of all we're going to hit up with Ashley at AJP. We'll get him on the board. Oh, pulled the outer casing off there. Stick that there. So we're going to go there. Get the old squeegee. Fits lovely there. And then we got Captain Jack next. And this is a reversible transfer one, so which is quite a nice sticker actually. So just pull that back there. And I'll just line that up. Then we've got a bit of room to take that up a bit. I'll just get that. Just push all the air out of that. And the old red vinyl sticking well to this bit of wood actually. It's done pretty well. And you just want to roll that back so you don't lift the sticker up off the transfer paper there. Look, just keep it on there and slide it back. Lovely. There we go. Spot on. And oh, Mr. Tarrell. So we'll get that one. Actually, Pete sent me these about 2 weeks ago, and he did send them first class. So it took about 2 weeks just to get here. That's first class, that is. Right, there we go. That's Tarrell. Oh, then we'll do that. So we'll just get that on there. Get all the air out there. There we go. That's Terrell. And I'm not actually going to stick these ones on the sticker board, because what I'm going to do with these ones, I'm going to stick them on my toolboxes and stuff like that. So I'm going to have them just dotted about the place, because I ain't got a lot of room left actually. I'm going to have to get a bigger board to rate this keeps going. So yeah, but if you do want any of these, get in touch with Pete Froud, or Terrell's got it on a web page with all these merchandise. So, or anyone else, I will leave a link in the description for the 3 that I've just put up. So yeah, we're going to call that for this one. This was just a little fast blast mail call one. I'll leave a description in the link below for AJP, Captain Jack and Terrell. As I say, if you ain't got them, just head over there, say hello to them, and until then, we'll see you next time.